the corn dumpling them in the pot.
Oh, hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen. Join me as I take you on another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience. Today, I will be preparing corn dumplings with butterbean. Now, young people, leave on a comment in the section. I don't know nothing about this, right? Remember, follow me on Instagram at Wims2020. Now, people, it's simple. Remove the corn from the cob. I'm going to put it in my blender with just a third cup of water. I will blend it to a texture of my liking. I blended mine for about 3 minutes. It's up to you how smooth you want your mixture. So if you want some thick enough pieces of corn, you can do that. I'm gonna add it to a large bowl, and to that bowl I will add 2 cups of flour. I am using all-purpose flour, and I will simply rub the flour into the corn mixture. Guys, remember, add salt to taste, and you simply just rub in the flour until you start getting a dough-like texture. Guys, if you need more water, please add it moderately. I need more for mine. I'm adding it, and then I need all the dry flour into the corn mixture.
So this is what the dough looks like. Now,
Guys, I'm opening it so you can see what the dough looks like, and you can see the yellow particles. Guys, this is what makes the dumpling interesting, and when you try it, you're going to love it.
people, so the corn dumpling them in the pot.
Remember to stir your dumplings till they do not stick to the bottom of the pot. You're going to allow this to cook for about 20 minutes, and then you can add additional ground provision to it. While my dumplings are cooking, I will move on to the codfish and butter bean. In a third cup of virgin olive oil, I will add bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, scallion, garlic, and a piece of ginger root, guys. I will stir that in for a few seconds just to activate the flavors, and then add the saltfish. I cook my saltfish with my vegetables because I want to get the flavor in of the saltfish, people. I've added a can of butter beans, and I'm just stirring it around. I've added a third cup of water, 2 tablespoons of blended season. People see it there, a pinch of garlic salt, some black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. It's a Maggi seasoning, guys. I'm gonna stir this up, and people may add in a little teriyaki sauce. Now the teriyaki sauce, guys, add a little oomph to the butter bean, and I've added the butter. Guys, this is what it looks like. Pure awesomeness on one plate. Guys, I didn't show you when I added the turned plantain and the cassava, but I add that, and I've served it with avocado. People don't know, say, I'm a mother I learned this from. It's another of my mother's recipe from my pot onto my daughter's table. Guys, I hope you'd enjoy the cooking experience with me today. Now, guys, I cannot share the audio for this video because it was a discussion between my friends and I. It was cooking and discussing. They were so stoked when they heard that I was cooking corn dumplings, and my friend was like, a Jamaican corn dumpling you cook. I say, yo man, I say, yo, me I wait for it. So guys, it was an exciting experience in the kitchen. Boy, the dumpling nice. So till you taste that corn flavor in the dumpling. The teriyaki sauce was a bomb in the saltfish and butter bean. I encourage you guys to try this next time you're in the kitchen. I encourage you guys, please, to give me the thumbs up. Like this video. Leave a comment in the section below. Turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you will be informed. Remember, share this channel with your friends. Let them know of food we prepare. Come on, guys. Come, get your share. Thank you so much, guys.